everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are actively working inside a Windows Remote Desktop session and need to quickly change your user account password without disconnecting, I will show you exactly which keyboard shortcuts to use to access the security screen right now. Let's get started. First, you cannot use the standard Windows security shortcut because pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete will usually only open the lock screen for your own local physical computer. Instead, make sure your mouse is clicked actively inside the remote desktop window and press the Ctrl, Alt, and End keys on your keyboard all at the exact same time to successfully send the command to the remote machine. Next, once you press that specific key combination, the remote computer's secure blue Windows lock screen will instantly pop up on your display. From this central list of options, simply click on Change a Password located right above the Task Manager and Sign Out options. Finally, the remote Windows system will prompt you to update your credentials. First, type in your current existing password in the top box to verify your identity. Then, carefully type your brand new password into the second box and type it one more time into the third box to completely confirm it. Press Enter or click the Submit arrow, and your remote account password will be instantly updated. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.